Hey, Michael here, and are you finding that the Facebook advertising platform is getting more expensive and you're finding it harder to find a winning product and design? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you a cost-effective way to find your winning product and design with Facebook ads. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is a question that I get asked a lot. Michael, how do you find your winners and how do you test with Facebook advertising? And I know there's a lot of different ways to test and different systems to follow, but today I'm going to show you one of the most cost-effective way to do your test and to find your winners. So let's get started. Now, in my last video, I talked about the different objectives inside the ad platform, and you can see it right here. Awareness, consideration, and conversion. And I mentioned that it's laid out in a very specific way because Facebook want you to go from the coldest to the warmest traffic. But conversion purchase event is where all the conversions will be coming from. However, it is more expensive, so if you don't have your audience and targeting dialed in, this is not the best event to go with, especially if you're just brand new, starting a store, and you don't know what design works. So what you can do is go under consideration and select engagement. You can ask your customers on what is the best designs that they want to see. So let me draw this out on a whiteboard to give you an idea of what I mean. So what we want to do is we want to select the engagement objective. And then we want to create an ad that's page post engagement. Okay, and this is 1200 by 1200 image ad. So our image ad will look like this. We'll have a 1200 by 1200 image, and then we have 4 different images on this image. So we have image number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we can have either product or different designs. We can ask our customers what they like. So let's say for this example, we have our necklace. We have our t-shirt, we have our shorts, and we might have our cell phone case. Okay, and then we can ask our customer which one do they like. So comment below to let us know what products do you like. All right, so just something very simple. All we want is to ask our customers feedback. And once we post a cheap $5 to $10 engagement ad, we can get our answer really quickly. So I just want to show you an example of what this looks like. Just give me 1 second. So here is an example that I want to show you. We have an engagement ad right here. So we have our 12 by 1200 image right here, and we have different products. And all we're doing is comment below, let us know which one you want. And the feedback that we got back was amazing. We get to analyze what our customer actually want. So by looking at this and scrolling down, I can see that most of my customers actually like number 1 or number 2. Now in this case, I might go straight to a conversion event and go with a necklace or a bangle. So they like this luxurious snake chain instead of this other chain over here. And they like the circle one instead of the oval one. Right? This gives us a lot of information to go with, and it gives us a direction on where we need to go. So that is one example with different products. And I also have another example for different designs, right? You can do this for product or designs. And again, we ask feedback from our customers, and then this is what we got. 1 or 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4. So 1 and 4 is our winner over here. So now we can go ahead and use a more expensive event after we use a cheaper objective to find out which one is our winner. Now we can go into a conversion event purchase and test our ads from there. So instead of wasting money on all 4 designs, now I can zero in on just 1 and 4 to see which one takes off. All right, so that is a very simple way to do your test. And to do this is pretty easy, and I'll show you right here. All we have to do is go into canva.com, and on the top where it says dimension, we can go ahead and do 1200 by 1200. And then we can simply select this image with the 4 little squares. And now we can go ahead and go under uploads and then upload our images. All right, again, sometimes the upload will take some time depending on the speed and the size of the design. Once it's uploaded, we can basically drag this into the square. And if you have a full image with background, this will autofill once you drag into this template over here. But since this is a transparent image, I have to actually change the background color to make sense. So we have our first image. We can resize it a little bit to make it nicer. Okay, and then we can do this for this image. All right, now we have our 4 images. Let's change the color. And now we can go into text and then select our text. We can use this one over here. We can do three and 4. All right, now that we have our images, we can go ahead and go into Facebook and run our test. And all we have to do is select the engagement event, upload our image, and use our simple description right here, telling people to comment below. Now, this is one way to do it with Facebook advertising. Another simple way is if you already have an email list, you can simply use this same method and email your list and ask them which one do they like. And the one with the most feedback, that is one you want to run your ads with. All right, so this is a very simple way to run your advertising at a very low cost to get engagement really fast on your ad. And once you know which one is going to be a winner, that is the one that you want to take and actually run your full test to it. This will save you a lot of money, so go ahead and give this a try. And if you like this method, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. All right, I'll talk to you soon.